If you want to buy a new iPhone 13, then you most likely want to know whether what you're buying is a fake or real Apple iPhone 13. On this video, I will show you how to identify a fake iPhone and distinguish it from the original. The more trade and sales migrate to online, the more of a risk of getting fake iPhones. It has become a very lucrative business for deceitful phone manufacturers. Fake iPhones used to be super obvious, but the market is getting much smarter as time goes on. How to spot a fake iPhone 13? You should begin by check the packaging. Just like fake iPhone 12, the packaging is one of the first features that you should check when trying to spot a fake iPhone 13. The outside might look exactly like the original packaging. However, it's usually made of a bit cheaper material. Sometimes when opening these boxes, the phone is in a plastic wrap rather than its distinct pull-off tabs. There may also be product instructions with giant foreign characters. The genuine iPhone 13 box contain information such as the model, description of the phone, the country name where it is manufactured, serial number, and a barcode that ensures this is a genuine product. A fake iPhone 13 box won't include these extra details about your device. Look for a memory card slot. The iPhone 13 does not feature a memory card slot just like other genuine iPhones. If you see a memory card slot at the back or the side of the device, then start backing out because you are looking at an iPhone 13 copy version. Also check the Apple logo on the back of the iPhone. Once you get the phone unwrapped, just flip it over and look at the logo on the back of the iPhone. Although this can look similar to the original one, there are usually slight, small errors that distinguish a fake. An iPhone 13 replica has a slightly recessed logo or a mirror finish. An authentic Apple logo should not feel raised or textured. If rubbing your finger across the logo feels different than rubbing across anywhere else on the back of the iPhone, the phone is likely not original. Check also the charging port. Moving to the next tip on how to spot fake Apple iPhone 13, we can look at the bottom of the phone, which will give away a few different factors to determine the validity of this device. Generally, a fake iPhone 13 will have a plastic border around it or just simply an engraved line around the port to simulate the same build as the original product. Now let's turn on the iPhone. Here are where things get seemingly weird. Check the welcome logo. The welcome logo is the first thing that you see when you turn on an iPhone. This is not something you experience usually on fake iPhone 13. Usually you get a screen with the word welcome rather than the original Apple logo. This is a complete dead giveaway of a fake device. Check the IMEI. Model number. An original iPhone 13 box should display a model number, serial number, and IMEI. These numbers should match what you see on your device about in settings. If these numbers don't match the box it came in, then it clearly is a knockoff attempt at an iPhone 13. Test the serial number of your iPhone. Another way to spot fake iPhone 13 is by checking the serial number on Apple's Check Coverage website. Now, go to checkcoverage.apple.com and enter your iPhone serial number to see if it is a real iPhone 13. Entering the iPhone serial number into Apple's warranty status website should display the model, warranty period, support status, and other information about the phone. If you see a message that says "We're sorry, but this serial number is not valid," then your iPhone 13 is a clone. Check the iTunes and App Store. Here is the biggest difference between real and fake iPhone 13. Most fake iPhone 13 devices are running off Android because they can adjust the interface's skin. Android devices do not have an iTunes or App Store. If you click these, it will redirect to another app or go to a Google Play Store. If these apps do anything besides open the expected Apple stores, then it is fake software and a clone iPhone 13. Look for Apple's default apps. The iPhone 13 come with certain apps installed, including the App Store, Settings, Compass, and Safari. If you see a Play Store app on your iPhone 13, it's a dead giveaway that you're using an Android that was made to look like an iPhone 13. Pay attention to the price. Another warning sign is that the clone iPhone 13 devices are much cheaper than the original model, though not always, as some vendors try to sell these phones for just slightly less than original value, preying on people's ignorance. If the device is being sold far cheaper than a regular iPhone 13 suggested price, then think twice before buying the product. If the price is too good to be true, chances are it's a counterfeit iPhone 13. Now we hope you can easily spot a fake iPhone from an original. Please drop a comment below and don't forget to hit the subscription button for more interesting content from us. Thank you for watching.